everyone, hi, my name is Trisha and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share my go-to makeup look, kind of my everyday signature makeup look. We are going to create this makeup look, a very minimum makeup look, no makeup look. So yeah, without wasting any moment in the intro, let's just start with this video. Right after the shower, the first thing I do is to prep up my skin. Hence, I have already prepped up my skin and now we can start with our makeup. But this is something that very minimum makeup. I like to carry very minimum makeup on a daily basis. You can add or subtract the steps according to your taste. But this is something that you can carry to your college, your office, or even during your Zoom meetings. So yeah, let's start with the makeup. But there's a disclaimer, I am not going to use any base product like BB cream or any foundation. But if you want to get a little coverage or want a little bit coverage, then you can go with a CC cream. If you want a heavy coverage, then you can go with the foundation. But if you want that minimum coverage like base coverage, then you can go with the CC cream. I'm not going to use any base products. So yeah, we'll start with the concealer, and I'm using this LA Curl Pro Conceal Concealer, and I am in the shade Creamy Beige. Links of all the products will be in the description box, so in case you want, you can check out. I am going to apply this concealer over my under eyes and the problematic area of my face, which is this pimple mark. That's it, I am good to go. And now with a damp beauty blender, I will blend the concealer. And now to set our concealer, I am going to use this K-Beauty Banana Powder. This is one of the best powder you can ever find, budget friendly. I have already talked about this in my previous video. And yeah, that's it for my base. As I said, this is the minimum makeup I carry on day-to-day life. If you ever meet me, you will find me in this look only, because I like to carry minimum makeup on a daily basis. For now, I'm going to do my eyes and a little bit eyes. I'm going to use this palette from Nykaa in the shade Daydreaming. I am going to use this shade. It will help to add a bit of depth to my eyes. This is optional. If you want to do, you can. If you don't want, you can just skip this step. That's it for the shadows. Now I am going to apply a very regular eyeliner, but this side of the camera, because there is a huge light between me and the mirror. So yeah, I will catch you in a while, but let me show you which liner I'm using, and that is Sugar Sketch Pen liner, one of the beautiful and the finest liner. Actually ये मैंने last month purchase की थी and I am loving so far. So I quickly do my liner and catch you in a while. So yeah, I have done my eyes, and now we will move to the blush. And for that, I am going to use again from Sugar, and it's their mini blush in the shade Peach Pink. One of the beautiful blush I have ever used. The shade is between peach and pink, a very neutral shade. It will give you that natural looking blush which we need on our daily basis. And yeah, that's it. We are about to end this makeup look, but with a lipstick, of course. Now I have already made a short video on my top 5 go-to lipstick. If you haven't watched, I will link down in the description box in the I button as well, somewhere over here. Also, I posted that video on my Instagram as well. So if you are not part of my IG family, I will link down in the description box, and this is my handle as well. For the lipstick, I am going to use this Sugar Crayon in the shade Sunny. A beautiful coral shade. And yeah, we are done with our makeup. This is the simple, easiest and minimum makeup that I like to carry on my day-to-day life. And yes, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if did, then don't forget to do all the good things like comment, share and subscribe as well. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in my next video super soon. Till then, sparkle up.